This is a place where I feel
Today I'm going to walk you through how to adjust the chain on your motorcycle. If you have any questions on how to do other things on your motorcycle, you can let me know in the comments and I'd be glad to make a video. And also at the top of the screen will be a link to my how-to series for motorcycles. If you still have any questions about adjusting your chain at the end of the video, you can leave a comment and I'll get back to you. First, you're going to want to get your bike up on a center stand or a rear stand if you don't have one. If your bike has a cotter pin, you'll need to remove that first. Loosen the axle. You'll find tick marks on the axle box. Align both sides on one tick mark to ensure that the axle is aligned. Once you've got the axle aligned, adjust forward or backwards depending on chain tension. You want to aim for 30 or 40 millimeters of chain slack. Since we have the bike on a rear stand here, it's going to be a little bit tighter than that since the suspension is compressed on the rear. When you put it back down, the chain will loosen up a little bit. Once you're sure that the adjustment is appropriate, tighten up the axle first and then tighten the adjusters. Make sure the lock nuts are tightened against each other so it won't move. And then you're ready to go, and it's a good opportunity to clean and lube your chain if necessary. It's a pretty short process, and once you get it down, it's pretty quick. But like I said, let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.